What's up guys, this is Andrew at Diamond Graphics. Today we just wanted to show you the shop, kind of what we do here, and because of your continuous support, we strive for excellence with all our wraps, so we've been able to wrap, your average car to now wrapping cars like this. What's up guys, this is Andrew at Diamond Graphics. So today we have a customer who brought us a Jeep that was wrapped somewhere in Chicago. They brought it to us to kind of touch some stuff up. I haven't really looked over this car yet, so I have an unbiased opinion of it, but we're just gonna kind of take a quick glance and kind of show you the different levels of quality of wraps that you can get from different shops. So for starters, this is probably a satin black wrap. It looks like the car was originally wrapped gloss black. Overall, I would say it looks pretty good. They do have some odd seams right in the corners here. I don't know if you can really see this. This is something that maybe most customers might not notice, but as an installer, it sticks out to me. So we're gonna be replacing this lower section here. One thing that's kind of odd, if we were to wrap this, we would wrap this whole section in one piece. They have it split right down the middle, and then they also have it split here. Like they just it was an afterthought and they just stuck some patches there. So that's kind of lower quality, but again, it's on the bottom half of the vehicle, so most people might not even notice that. If you look, so this is a difficult area to wrap. I can see it's bubbling a little bit. They didn't take the vinyl all the way over to kind of hold that color. They actually cut it short and used an extra piece and seamed up this whole part here. So that I would say is kind of an amateur move, but it's not the worst thing. Back here, yeah, same thing as up there. It's not horrible, but it could have definitely been better. I'm gonna pop the gas cap and see how they kind of wrap that. So yeah, they didn't even wrap like behind the gas cap. I like to do this on all my wraps just because the customer is gonna be filling their own gas and they're gonna be noticing this a lot. So why not take the extra, 20 minutes and get that full coverage. They tinted the lights, that looks good. Overall, this bumper looks good. There is a lot more patches than, you can see they had a boo-boo here, so they just patched it up, seamed it kind of shoddy, another patch. So, they got a lot of little patches all over, which again, as long as they didn't actually damage the vehicle, there's not a real issue here. You can always remove it and redo it. The one thing you want to watch out for some shops is if they're new to it, they're using knives or they're disassembling things and they're doing it incorrectly, that's when it's actually gonna really cost you to have that repaired. This side, again, they did the same thing. They cut this in half and they put patches here. This is something I guess the customer wouldn't really notice unless they changed their own oil, but we definitely noticed that here. So we're gonna fix this up for them, replace a couple panels, hopefully give it back to the customer better than it showed up here.
All sound production.
So luckily we were able to take care of that Jeep, replaced a couple pieces, and the customer was happy with it. When you're looking for a wrap, you want to make sure that the shop you're going to has a history of quality. I would go check them out in person, maybe see some of the wraps they've done, see some reviews online, and just make sure you're getting the service that you're paying for.